Hi, I'm Tom Bowling and I'm here at Pioneer Imports and Wholesale. And I want to talk to you today just a little bit about succulents. And you cannot open any type of shelter magazine or home interior magazine or even wedding work without seeing the use of succulents somewhere, somehow omnipresent. And we have to be mindful of the fact that fresh have limited usage for that and take a lot of extra TLC, which translates into being mindful of the dollar. So often I will resort to using permanent and being able to use those in a very good, substantial way. There's such a millennial presentation. It's just, we thought that they were going to go away about a year and a half ago when we were doing some trend watching, but such is not the case. So we, found this little unique elephant container. He's kind of fun, and it definitely has that millennial feel to it. Just kind of, not really for any other purpose than I like it. So, it could be a collector or not, it doesn't really matter. But what you're seeing is that I'm taking that and using that and putting a little piece of foam down into the bottom, and I'm going to go ahead and arrange my succulents just like I would any other type of floral design. And I'm being mindful of the textures, the forms, the shapes of the product itself, and also the color, because we know color is so important, and that's what more customers react to color than they do any other element of design. So I'm putting my succulents in, and you can see all the different variations of sizes and colors that are in here. Very fun, actually. I'm gonna add one more in right up here in the back. Kind of done a little grouping of the different products. And as you see, it adds so much character and just brings our little elephant buddy to life here. The succulents, wide range available here at Pioneer Imports and Wholesale.